Hello everyone, my name is Kelsey, your friendly educator from the Museum of Discovery, and it is time for another edition of At Home Discoveries. Wow! I know, you've been excited, you've been pumped, and today we're going to talk about bubbles. So a bubble is known for its shape as being a circle, or its 3D form, a sphere. This is because the minimum amount of surface area is needed to enclose the volume of air trapped inside. But today, we're going to try to trick it into becoming a cube. What you will need is some dish soap, a deep bowl or container full of water, a handful of pipe cleaners, a handful of straws, and scissors. Now, if you don't have a bubble wand laying around your house like me, you can use a pipe cleaner. Simply form one end into a circle and twist the excess length to form a wand. Next, we're going to attempt to make a cube with those straws and pipe cleaners. You want to start by cutting the straws the same length, so I cut them in half. Build the cube by sliding 2 straws into each pipe cleaner and twisting the middles from one to the other component. Connect the legs until the cube is complete. Make it as even as a shape as you can. Now add some dish soap to your water to make your own bubble solution. Depending on how large your container is, add approximately 1/4 cup of liquid dish soap. As you can tell, I'm guesstimating. And now stir it up. When you and your bubble solution are ready, dip that cube shape into the solution. Now lift it out by holding onto 2 corners. A gentle shake is helpful to even out that soap film. You want your cube to look like this, almost like an hourglass. If it does not, go ahead and dip it back in and try again. All you have to do next is blow a bubble and drop it into the center of that hourglass, and voila! We have successfully tricked a sphere bubble into becoming a cube. Now, the way we were able to make this happen is that the soap film connects the shortest possible distance while still connecting all sides. This is called adhesion. Now, this caused the bubble to appear square or cubic. But if you take a closer look, the bubble still bulges, so it's still trying to go spherical.